Today we're going to talk about artificial intelligence. Many people assume that when you ask an AI a question, it goes out and searches the internet for the answer. It doesn't. AI systems, like large language models, are not connected to a search engine in the way people often imagine. They are not browsing websites, they are not scanning live information, and they are not looking up answers in real time. Instead, something very different is happening. When you type a prompt into an AI system, the model analyzes the text you've written and begins predicting what words are most likely to come next. Not based on a search, but based on patterns it learned during training. Those patterns come from enormous collections of written material, books, websites, articles, research papers, and many other forms of text. During training, the model learns how words and ideas tend to appear together. It learns which phrases commonly follow other phrases, which explanations usually follow certain questions, and which patterns of language appear most often across millions of documents. Over time, the system builds an extremely complex map of how language works. So when you ask a question, the model is not retrieving an answer from the internet. Instead, it is generating a response using the patterns it learned during training. One word at a time. Each word is chosen because it is statistically likely to follow the previous one. Then the next word is predicted, and the next, and the next. The result can feel surprisingly knowledgeable, but it's important to understand what is really happening. The model is not searching, it is predicting. And this distinction explains why AI systems sometimes produce answers that sound convincing, even when they are incorrect. Because the goal of the system is not to verify facts, the goal is to generate the most probable continuation of text. That process can produce explanations that appear confident, structured, and informative. But underneath it all, the system is still doing the same thing, predicting the next word, and the next, and the next. AI is powerful, but it is not searching the internet, it is predicting language.